Yep, I was right. They're staying together. You grab it from the plate and you can take it all out as a unit. So, yep, makes sense, right? Inside here you see the two nylon pieces that I made. I replaced these bearings so it's much easier to put it in and out. That's the reason I did it. I'm gonna have to put again these bearings to get the dimensions to fix the adapters that I said earlier on the previous video. On this one I'm gonna take it out to get the dimensions. I'm gonna put again back in place to check the height to be on the same page. Okay, all right. And these need to be cleaned. All these things that don't have pieces on it. Yeah. Before I lose this bolt here, I have to torque it down again. I just have to see on the book how much supposed to be the torque specs. I open it and then I realize that no need to be opened and I put back in place. This need to be torqued down again. So yeah, you see what has on it. Sometimes these slats, these pieces that are sticking on this magnet, it's causing to don't read properly these things. And this one has also, no, it's steady. All right. So there is no adjustment on the forks. That's a good one. That's a good one. There's no adjustment with the screws to adjust the fork, because if there was adjustment then it's gonna be a nightmare. It's gonna be a headache. All right. Also this one. Yeah, see what I'm talking about. In some cases, let us say on the DSG, by just removing these pieces from the sensors, from the magnetic, from these small magnets, it's helping a lot. Like I said, they start causing some problems, this shit, this garbage, and you see still have there. That's why I prefer to open it, clean it properly, blow with air, clean it again, to be everybody happy. I'm not afraid about the shaft here, because the shaft, it's a stainless steel. The thing is the housing, I hope to be okay, to don't have any headache. Alright, like I said, the synchros. Okay. One of the input, that's the second one. It's in neutral, all of them. One, two, three, four. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, right. Nice. Let's get some measurements, put it on a paper, go on the lathe, start machining it, testing it, and then washing it, wrapping it, and standing by for the parts. I'm gonna make another video to show you the adapters for the bearings. Yep, the stand looks amazing. It helped me a lot. That's very good. Yeah, that's it. Let's move on. Thank you.